Hi students, my name is Arva and my channel name is Arva and Physics. This is JEE question of torque. Let's try to solve it. A disk of mass 12 kg and radius 2 meters rotating with angular velocity omega 600 rpm. If this disk stops under the action of torque in 10 seconds and if torque is n pi, what is the value of n? Okay, so let's start. Look students, omega is equals to 600 rpm. Okay, 600 rpm. So students, what is omega? Omega is the angular velocity. What do you mean by angular velocity? Angular velocity, since it is velocity, so velocity is rate of change of displacement. Theta is the angular displacement. And since a disk of rotating with angular velocity, okay, omega. So omega equals to this, it means, can we say d theta by dt is equals to 600 rpm, that is revolution per minute. Okay, students, why I write omega equals to d theta by dt? Because as you know, velocity is equals to dx by dt when we have linear displacement, so it is angular displacement. Okay, angular displacement, so we have angular velocity, linear displacement, linear velocity. Now students, for one revolution is in 2 pi. 2 pi is in radian, right? Radian. One revolution complete means 2 pi radian. Okay, so how many 600 revolution will be? 600 revolution will be 2 pi into 600 radians, correct? Why I am pressurizing radian? Because look, we have torque in terms of pi, so we want answer in terms of pi. Okay, fine. So we have converted this omega into radians. How? That is, omega equals to, can I write 600 into 2 pi, 600 into 2 pi rotation per minute, right? It is rotation per minute. Per minute means can I divide it by 60? So it will be converted into seconds. So omega is equals to 600 into 2 pi divided by 60. That is radian per second. Radian per second. Okay. Why I converted it into seconds? Because we have time is also in terms of seconds. All are in standard unit. Okay. Now students, look what next they have given. If this disk stops under the action of torque, at last the disk is stopped. It means the final velocity, final angular velocity is 0 because the disk stops. And what is initial? Initial they have given us. Initial, what they have given us? Initial, because they have said is rotating with angular velocity, means it is rotating. This is the initial angular velocity, and finally it stops under the action of torque in 10 seconds. It took 10 seconds. It took 10 seconds to stop, and initial it is 600 divided by 60 into 2 pi radian per second. Can we solve it? So 10, that is 20 pi radian per second. Okay, fine. Now students, as you know, V is equals to U plus AT. Remember this equation when we use linear velocities. So here same is, V means final velocity, here omega f. Initial velocity, can I write omega I, and A is the linear acceleration. Here we have angular acceleration denoted by alpha, and time is t. So finally the disk stops 20 pi radian plus alpha in 10 seconds, correct? So alpha into 10 is equals to minus 20 pi, okay, and alpha is equals to minus 20 pi upon 10. Why it is minus? Don't worry about the minus sign, because of course we have it, since it is stopping, so there is a retardation, so this sign shows the retardation. Okay, radian per second square. Fine. And now what about the torque? You know that torque equals to I alpha. What is I? I is the moment of inertia. What is the moment of inertia of the disk? It is equals to half of m r square into alpha, correct? Now students, what is m? We know that m is equals to 2 kg and radius equals to 2 meter. So half of 2 into 2 square into alpha. Alpha is how much? 2 pi. Ignore the minus sign. Ignore the minus sign. Ignore the minus sign. Sorry, the light won't. Suddenly the light off, so I have to come here. Okay, fine. A half of this, that is 2 cancels out. So 4, 2 to the 4 into 2 pi about torque. And what torque value they have given? They have given torque is n pi. And the action of n pi torque does. Now compare the two sides, you can say n is equals to 8. So correct answer is 8. Thank you so much for watching. Khuda Hafiz, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.